4. So today we're going to cover the life cycle of plants with seeds for part 1 and then life cycle of plants without seeds for part 2. So this is page 80 to 84 in your textbook. So the lesson objective is to complete the life cycle of plants with seeds. So your steps to success is look at the direction of arrows in the exercise later, and then you're going to arrange the pictures according to the order in which they grow and reproduce. So we're going to talk about 3 plants: a mung bean plant, a coconut palm, and a sunflower. So we're going to first talk about the mung bean plant. So how a mung bean plant grows. So as you know, most flowering plants reproduces from seeds. So kebanyakan tumbuhan yang ada bunga ani bis dorang tumbuh dari biji. So when the seed gets enough air, water, and warmth, it will start to grow. So you know this when I gave you a seed to grow at home. So when you gave it, make sure that it has air, water, and the room is warm enough, it'll start to grow. A young plant that has started to grow is called a seedling. So a seedling, ni na. So it just starts to grow, masih ada ia punya shell of the seed ato. And then ada just a bit of leaves. So when a seedling grows, leaves appear. When it is an adult plant, bila ia basar sudah, it will produce flowers. So an adult plant ada flowers. Ani tah tanda ia an adult plant ni bila ia ada flowers. Lepas itu, the flowers will change into fruits. So dari bunga ia jadi buah. So for a mung bean plant, ani ia punya fruit. The fruits hold the seeds from which the new plant will grow. So dalam the fruit ada biji. And then biji itu akan tumbuh lagi jadi tumbuhan baru. So, the life cycle of a mung bean plant. So tadi teacher cakap dalam words, ani teacher tunjukkan guna gambar. So first, we have a mung bean seed. So a mung bean seed, you've seen it before. I've given you some before. So ani the first stage. And then it will grow from a seed to a seedling. Ani teacher tunjukkan saja. So from a seed, it will grow into a mung bean seedling. So dari mung bean seed jadi mung bean seedling. Ani cara ia grow. And then it will grow to an adult mung bean plant with flowers. So ia jadi mung bean plant adult sama bunga dulu with flowers. After ia with flowers, ia jadi adult mung bean plant with fruits. So dari the fruits ada biji, ia lepaskan biji itu ke tanah, and then it goes back to mung bean seed. So ani cycle. So ada teacher lihat some of your exercises, ada yang in the lukis arrows, you need to lukis arrows ani jua. So for your next exercise, there will arrows sudah kena lukis, tapi if you're asked to draw this dari awal, you need to draw the arrows. Iatah namanya cycle ni. Cycle, ia dalam bulatan, ada arrows, and then the gambar atau nunjukkan dari mana ke mana ia tumbuh. Okay, so next is the life cycle of a coconut palm. Coconut palm ani pokok coconut. Pokok kelapa. Itu dah. So, a coconut palm is a flowering plant. The coconuts you see high up in the tree are seeds. So, ani, kelapa ani, sebenarnya biji ni. Seed. So, these are the seeds. When a coconut seed drops to the ground, it will start to grow. The coconut seedling gets taller and taller. The roots grow deep in the ground. So, bila the biji itu turun, gugur ke tanah, ia tumbuh. Ia jadi seedling. So the adult coconut tree will produce flowers. So macam tadi ada bunga dulu. The flowers will develop into seeds. So nada fruit dari bunga itu ia terus jadi seed. New coconut plants will grow from these seeds. So if dalam gambar, we start from the seed, so coconut seed, to coconut seedling. So ini punya seedling, tu ada tumbuh ke atas, and then akarnya akan ke tanah. So ia jadi adult coconut tree. So ia jadi besar dulu, lepas satu ia tumbuh bunga, coconut flowers. And then the coconut flowers itu akan berubah jadi coconut seed. And then start lagi balik the cycle. So arrow-nya, and then gambarnya. So ia dari seed ke seedling, ke adult, ke flower, ke seed. Okay. So next is the life cycle of a sunflower plant. So a sunflower plant reproduce from seeds. So sama macam the coconut tadi itu, ia nada fruit, ia terus dari seeds saja. With the right conditions, the seeds will grow into seedlings. So dari biji, ia jadi seedling. Baby tumbuh-tumbuhan, I guess. So as the seedling grow, they form leaves dulu. Lepas satu ya besar lagi sikit, ada flowers. A single sunflower has many smaller flowers arranged in a spiral pattern. So sunflower ini sebenarnya ada banyak flower-flower di tengah-tengahnya atau. So the small flowers hold the seeds from which new sunflower plants will grow. So ani di tengah-tengah sunflower atau, if you look ani to the small flowers, so ada small flowers di dalam, and then ani biji the sunflower satu. Yata apa yang memegang the biji atau for the sunflower. Okay, so let's look at it in cycle form, in the picture form. So we start with the seeds, the sunflower seeds. So then it moves on to become a sunflower seedling. And then it becomes an adult sunflower plant. So unlike tadi, we don't have to say a flower pasal bila ya adult, anang sudah ya ada the flower ato. So then it just goes to the sunflower seed. So the difference with tadi ada 4, ani ada 3 saja. You go from seed to seedling to adult plant. Okay, so can you go to part 2 of this lesson?